You're about to receive a 3-minute education on one of the most underrated and understudied natural phenomena that could be used to entirely change the way we use light.
We are taking a deep dive into the world of bioluminescence, where more than 760,000 ocean creatures and plants are bioluminescent. Bioluminescence is a chemical reaction that takes place inside living organisms, which results in the emission of light.
These creatures range from cephalopods to arthropods to crustaceans to millipede and sea slugs, plus over 80 species of mushroom and fungi. Perhaps the more commonly known ones being anglerfish, fireflies, and glowworms. So why on earth would so many creatures use this crazy phenomenon? There are 4 main reasons why bioluminescence is so useful in nature: feeding, mating, protection, and camouflage.
Counter-illumination is an ingenious use of bioluminescence. Organs underneath the fish, called photophores, are used to match the dim light coming from the surface of the ocean, making the fish practically invisible. Predators who hunt closer to the seabed in order to spot them from below are thwarted by the counter-illumination. Now the important bit. How do they do it? They use the unique chemicals luciferin and either luciferase or photoprotein. The luciferin is a molecule that reacts with oxygen to produce light. The color is a result of the arrangement of the luciferin molecules. The luciferase is an enzyme that speeds up the rate of the chemical reaction. When the 2 chemicals react together, their byproduct is light. Sometimes, when luciferase is not involved, photoproteins replace it, but require an additional agent to produce light. Due to the majority of bioluminescent creatures existing in the darkest parts of the ocean, the closest most people come to experiencing the magnificence of bioluminescence is through the wonder of fireflies, or social media hype when an occurrence of dinoflagellates happens in the ocean, illuminating the waves when these plankton are disturbed. Other than the cool factor, this is potentially one of the greatest opportunities in our quest for a net zero future. By attaching GFP, green fluorescent protein, we can create bioluminescent trees to replace street lamps, and with this, a sustainable future. Similar technologies like bioluminescent crops that glow when dehydrated or in need of nutrients could vastly improve the agricultural industry, resulting in many economic and environmental benefits.
So experienced and inexperienced scientists and engineers ought to be aware of bioluminescence, because all we need is one inventive idea to spark the revolution of light.